Hey, it's the last week of school and I haven't had a chance to talk in the classroom at all this week. It's been a bit of a crazy week. We've had so much going on. I've had a meeting with my principal about literacy. I've had a meeting with my head teacher. Kids have just been a bit off this week. I think it's because it's the end of term, obviously, and also daylight savings finished last weekend, and I think the kids are, they're having to stay up that hour earlier and then they're still waking up at the same time, so they're all tired and a little bit cranky. But yeah, my year 11s this week started Macbeth, and I love Macbeth. Ever since I first did it myself at school, they're doing a unit on power and corruption. Easter Bunny was a big hit. I gave out Easter eggs this week. I'm just really glad that it's nearly holidays. After today, we're all ready for a break. My family's really ready for a break, and we're going to go camping in the holidays, so that's pretty cool. So for recess today, I've got these really nice bliss balls from the Tasty. This flavour's raisin berry. I've had them before, they're really nice. So there are 6 in the packet. The challenge is for this recess for me to not eat the whole packet because I think it should last until tomorrow.
Come. Let me clutch thee. I have not. And yet I see thee still. Art thou not fatal vision, sensible to feeling as to sight?
Lunch today is beautiful roasted beetroot and feta salad from Woolworths. This is for afternoon tea. Nice royal gala. And for recess, got this from Emma and Tom's Life Bar Fig and Lemon with chia seeds. Today is the last day and we are really lucky because we don't go to school on the last day. We bring the whole school down to the creek, and that's where I am now, and I'll try and show you a little bit of it throughout the day. It has been raining off and on all week, but today the sun's come out. It's already 21 degrees and it's going to be a beautiful day. I'll show you some. I'm just looking out the window because I can see the water and it's sparkling and it's really lovely. So it's going to be a really nice relaxing day. We're so fortunate to be able to come here.
Okay.
I've been following her on her YouTube channel.
We're going to start with the rolls, and as soon as the rolls are done, you'll hear the sound.
It's so good.
What are you looking forward to most about today?
The exciting opportunities. Tug of war. Yeah.
Who's going to win, teachers or students?
Me. Student.
Bradley.
I reckon the students will win.
Yeah.
They're not loving it. They're not playing.
like doing this? Okay, when are you going to have your go?
I'm not playing. I'm not hopping. Look at
You're just toiling. Toiling? Whoa! Mr. Doyle!
What is he doing? He's going to take somebody out.
I have to stop. You're just toiling. Toiling?
Whoa!
Mr. Doyle!
What is he doing? He's going to take somebody out.
I have to stop. And James, what they call the sandbars. Oh, he's got no control. He's out of control.
Well, he offered for me to go in. We don't know. Oh my God, Sherry It's too funny.
He's too back heavy.
He's bottom heavy.
Got to get in the middle, Mr. Doyle.
It's a two-seater kayak. That's a difficult
Oh,
task.
you should have gone with him, Rachie.
No, he offered. I said no.
I'm not getting in with you.
I won't get out there. Go. Oh, not the swimmers. Yeah, go for it. Get in there.
She stands up straight away. She's a pro.
Do I need to bend as much as I am?
Yes.
If you want to go this way, paddle on the other side. What? Yeah, Riley, you're my rescue here, right? Can I go there with Boogie?
She's doing it. You're doing it, miss. Straight away.
That's it.
Woohoo!
Now spin your paddle around. There you go.
It feels wrong to do that,
I know.
but it must catch more water.
Right? Yeah, you coming out? Yeah, right. Come on, go that one, right?
Go, Shelley! Woo-hoo-hoo! Do the sup dance.
I'm not that good.
What do you reckon about that, miss?
Hey,
Will you do that again?
I love it.
It's good, eh?
Yeah,
I
it's
like
really
it too.
nice.
Oh, good job, good job. Got Mr Kafooples here, trying the SUP boarding as well. I've been wanting to try SUP boarding for months and months and months, and finally I had my chance today. Even though I was really scared, I loved it.
Oil, the dressing, it's really nice because I made it.
Well, then, say no more.
Well, that's it. Term 1 is officially over and I'm now on holidays. It's been a bit of a busy week this week, but we had a beautiful day to end it down at the creek and the kids had a great time. The teachers were all relaxed. It just started to rain towards the end, so it got a little bit cold, but apart from that, it was a beautiful day. And I got to have my very first time SUP boarding, which I've been wanting to do for months. So that was pretty cool. If you're going on a break for Easter, I wish you a happy and restful Easter, and we'll see you when term 2 comes back.